Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringo.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for a Bluestar company. Bluestar CO is the ticker name, and what you're watching is a monthly technical chart of the stock. And this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators, and these are all the graphs generated by the technical indicators related to the stock. And we have data here since 2007 onwards up to 2017 November 11th. Okay, to do the technical analysis for this stock. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, I am leaving this data this side. I'm because most of this thing is is history and not related, and it involves a lot of sideways movement. But the current trend is this part. That's what I identified. As for me, this is the current trend, and this is the origin. This is the origin, and this is the place from where we need to do the analysis, and we need to take things into consideration from this point. So February 2014 onwards I'm talking about. Okay, now on February 2014 the stock was trading at 134, and today the stock is trading at 693. Okay, good. And after February 2014 the stock started moving in the upward direction, and every time making new highs, considerable high 1, high 2, high 3, high 4, high 5, and right now it is a consolidation phase. And this candle represents this month, November month, and the November month itself this went down. I think this is because of the GST effect. And today, as per the revision of GST, even today I think that the stock is still will go down. Why? Because uh, okay, we will come back to that later, but maybe due to the GST effect, the stock is going down. That's what I conclude at the moment. But anyway, from technical analysis point, we have a red candle here. Okay, and we have red candle here, and we doubt whether this trend will continue or not, because the stock so far, even it had been in the market for this many years, and it hadn't shown much momentum towards the price rise, and so far it has been moving sideways here and there. So I doubt the path pattern of the stock. So that is the reason why I'm saying like this. But anyway, now the stock has already crossed its 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average is also okay, and super trend is also okay. Super trend right now it is under the influence of positive super trend, very good. And if you look at the relative strength is going down. That is what that is a point of concern. And if you look at the direction strength, that is also going down. Oh god! If you look at the directional positive and negative directional lines, both are converging. You can clearly see that here, right? And if you look at the stochastics, so both the lines are playing on top of the 80 line, but the red line is dominating. That means the slow line is dominating the fast line. That is a bear segment. And if you look at the price volume is increasing, but momentum is going down. It's crashing actually. It already crossed its the baseline, and it's going down. So at the moment, I feel like I cannot recommend this stock for long-term investment, and neither for short-term also. I think there is I think the stock may lose a few more rupees also. This thing, but whoever had bought here, in 2014, in the last 3 years, they had gained some 300, 400 rupees profit per share. But we'll see in 2017 what happened when it comes to the stock. January 2017, the stock was 480, and right now it is 693. Nearly 200 rupees. Okay, but the stock is it's a very popular company, and a popular brand also, and and popular, being a popular brand, being a popular this thing, having a huge market, and right now its stock price is at 600 so far. That is a point, that is a point of concern, because because we are the reason for that particular point is there is a lot of side movement by the stock. So it is just moving here and there, without a lack of direction. There is a lack of direction in this stock, in the stock movement. So that's what we are finding. So finally, the conclusion is like this: this stock cannot be recommended for long-term investment right now. We will come back to this stock later after a few days, and redo the analysis based on new points. Okay, until then, cannot be considered for long-term investment. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.